Make a great choice today with the 2022 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.